Welcome to Digital Twins, where physical meets virtual. Key concepts include virtual representation, accurate digital replicas of physical assets, stimulation and optimization, testing and improving performance in virtual environments, improved processes, data driven decision making for enhanced efficiency, IoT integration, real time data exchange between physical and virtual twins. Digital twins transform industries, manufacturing, predictive maintenance, and optimized production, healthcare, personalized patient modeling, treatment stimulation. Benefits include increased efficiency, reduced cost, and enhanced accuracy. Imagine virtual product testing, reducing physical prototypes, optimized energy consumption in smart buildings, personalized medical treatment plans. Digital twin technologies are 3D modeling, IoT sensors, and AI powered stimulation. Unlock digital twins, stimulate, optimize, and innovate.